Oh, what about this here? You think she can see him?
She's blind. She doesn't have eyes.
Oh my goodness.
No, that's just she's turning around.
Oh, you mean she doesn't have? You mean she really has eyes? Where are her eyes?
She turned around. She's drawing the letters.
Okay.
So let's start reading this side again. We didn't finish this. Okay, so the first time I come to the place you call home, you quickly must give me a name of my own. Once you are finished, my mission can start. What will you call me? Marco or Zart? Will it be Pato, Griddle, or
Clyde? Frisbee's cute too, but you must decide.
Oh wait, what are you doing? What's your
What elf are you? What's your elf gonna be called?
What?
Rubber
Alright. Call Simon. Call Daddy, your elf.
Okay, let's move on.
Watch what I could do. Watch what I could do.
What can you do?
Summer, I thought you reading the book.
Hey, you don't want to read the book?
Summer, I thought you reading the book.
No place to live tonight.
Yes.
You go to Mama's house, okay?
What are you trying to do?
Where are you going, Simon?